Today we are gonna make honey pecan vinaigrette. I have all the ingredients out and I'm at work, so I'm doing something productive. Let's get the ingredients together. Okay, here are my ingredients. Salt and pepper, garlic to taste. I'm using bee patch honey because we are out of our own local honey. Pecan oil came from Wild Honey Box. They gave me this jar or this bottle. And then white wine vinegar. I already have the oil in the measuring cup. And I have the honey in the measuring cup, the Dijon mustard, which is 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 minced up garlic. And then all we have to add is our white wine vinegar. We're going to add 6 teaspoons. This is messy. Okay. We're going to dump all this. Oh. Forgot the salt and pepper and garlic seasoning. And it's just a taste, so I just put a lot. I'm going to dump all this in here. Man, this is really easy to make. Put the lid on, shake it. Keep shaking, shaking, shaking. Now you have honey pecan vinaigrette. And I would say I could try it, but my boss doesn't keep any salad here, any veggies. So, if you have any questions about this, this is easy to make. Again, here are the items that I used. Here, and white wine vinegar. This you can just get at HEB, Wild Honey Box, the patches, and HEB. And there you go.